Okay, so tonight for dinner I am making, well, we are going to be having Copycat Chipotle chili bowls, burrito bowls. So what I'm going to be doing is I found a Copycat recipe. I just did a Google search for how to make their cauliflower cilantro lime rice. So what we do is we have our pan on medium heat. I have 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. I have 1 riced cauliflower, or you could use a 16-ounce bag of already pre-riced cauliflower. Stick it in here to saute for only about 3 to 5 minutes. You just want to saute this just to get it till it's just about tender. After that, we're going to add to this, we add 2 bay leaves. And you want to saute these right along with your cauli rice. Get all that nice oil all there to coat. A teaspoon of salt. All right. We use the real salt for all the trace minerals, and cauliflower is so good for you. So many antioxidants, so many vitamins and minerals. It's just absolutely fantastic. Everyone was so excited when this came out at Chipotle and that they actually sold out. We couldn't get it for a couple days because it was such the thing. You're going to saute for about 3 to 5 minutes. This going, and when that's all done, this is so super easy. You remove it off when it's all done. You toss in the juice of 1 lime and a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. You do want to toss this here. You also want to remove the 2 bay leaves before you serve them. And what you have at the end is this magnificent. Just plate it up, put it in a bowl, and then now you have the base for a wonderful make your own burrito bowl.